So I got the last coat here. Wanted to show you all how well it cleans up leather. So I'm going to saturate the surface here. And I'll be honest, you could even get a little brush and it would honestly help agitate and remove the dirt out of the pores and all the little lines in the leather, all the creases. So let that sit for a second here. And now we're going to wipe it clean. So this seat has never actually been cleaned, and that's quite a bit of dirt removed for no brushing and just sheerly wiping with a microfiber, in my personal opinion. So leather will actually be hydrophobic. It will be easier to clean from here on out. You can see all the stuff that's actually was on the leather, stuff everywhere.